New game. Custom game. Custom game. Creative mode. Empty world. No mods. Advanced. Times 3. Realistic. Where is it? Environmental hostility safe. Asteroid none. 15 kilometers for view distance. No sun rotation. Enable copy paste is a must. Enable spectator is a must. No thruster damage. No destructible blocks. No cargo ships. So shape. Not voxel. No random encounters. That's fine. No drones. Remote block, yes. Friendly rocket, no. Russian, no. Bounty contracts, no. Weather system, no. No, these. Right. With, where did it go? 15 kilometers, no asteroids, environment is safety. Road size, 20 kilometers. This will really help. I found what I did wrong. This. 231,000 is fine. The ship is 206,000. Increase it to 300. Try it again. Function 10. Select copy to clipboard. Hopefully it'll work this time. Now, importantly is that spectator camera, which is using function 6, function 7, function 8. That's for your person, and that's for a spectator camera. Spectator camera is faster, and holding down control or alt and using the mouse wheel speeds it up or slows it down. Now work, damn you. I need to buy me a new microphone. Come on. There we go. Now it's working. Just takes it a minute. Alright, now it's in. You can fly over to it. It'll take a minute to thoroughly be in. Smack. You'll land, hit F8, locate it, and then holding Alt and using the mouse wheel will speed you up considerably. Control is for changing the range of this, but alternate, and the mouse wheel is for your speed. Shift gives you a big speed boost. 0 gives you an empty hand. So L is your light, but it doesn't really do anything until you're close. I don't think... No, I have some stuff on the inside. No thrusters, looks like. Just a bunch of gyroscopes. So you can spin it around, but without thrusters, you can't really move it. But you can spin it, because gyroscopes and reactors. So you can reorient it depending on the star, but I don't even know if I have a flight control. I do. Bleh. So, yeah. Just F8 and flying around using the alt and mouse wheel to increase your speed or decrease speed, and then shift is your boost. think it's very fun. Alright. X, or X-ray, is your jetpack. WASD, basic movement. Q, E for rotation. And then function 10 opens the menu. Wait for it to load thoroughly.